Hey guys, well that's a wrap for 2021. We just wanted to give you one last video update of our Chermside West project. As you know, it's been an incredibly challenging year, but the boys have managed to smash it home with this project. We were waiting on materials, windows, scaffolding, all types of things on this project, which meant that we had to continue working on every part of the job that we could. And when all those materials, scaffolding, everything finally come together in the last few weeks, we managed to smash it out and bring it home. We got it locked up, we got joinery inside, we got it waterproof, ready for tiling. And that means that the painter can come in after Christmas and get the inside and outside painted, and we can get this job wrapped up for the client. So boys have done an incredible job on this project. As you can see from the detailing and all the setting out of the nails, even in our external claddings and our internal wall lining. So as we showed you on previous videos, the entire inside of this home is lined with FC sheeting. So it ties in with the existing masonite linings. And then we've used lots of timber cornices, timber demouldings and cover strips to tidy it and finish it off. And the boys have done an incredible job, and a lot of this went right back to our setting out of all of our wall framing and our ceiling battening to make sure that all our nails are in perfect lines and well set out, because when you're using FC or masonite type wall linings, you don't get the privilege of setting the nails like with your plastering, so you see them even when they're painted. So as you would all know, my big thing is it's all the things that you don't see that make all the difference, and the time and effort and energy that goes into the setting out to get that detail of those nails and all those grid formations goes right back to when we're marking out our wall frames, building our walls, making sure everything's set out in the correct spacing so all the nails are even, and then obviously right through to doing all your marking out on the actual FC linings as you're installing them. So huge shout out to all of our trades, our suppliers this year, our own team. All of our projects have come home really well. And we can't wait to get back here after Christmas and get stuck into this one, because we're only a couple of months away from being able to hand this project over to our clients.